Looking to build, renovate, or expand? At Unlimited Drawings and Architectural Design Services, we turn your vision into permit-ready plans that are designed to be built. Whether you're a homeowner planning a new home, a contractor needing construction drawings, a business owner expanding your space, or an investor developing your next project, we've got you covered. Our services include new home design, additions and renovations, commercial build-outs, permit-ready drawings. Owned and operated by Anthony and Towanna Britt, Unlimited Drawings is committed to helping bring your project from concept to construction. Call today, 843-532-4788. Unlimited Drawings and Architectural Design Services, designing your vision, building your future.